Alright, so I'm inside. So I'm inside a typical home here, but this is like an accommodation. This is in Mililawani National Reserve. It's pretty cool. Alright, so I'm right here in Mililawani National Reserve. Then behind is a traditional home, and this is made up of course, plant. Do you know what it's made up of? What kind of plant is that? Yeah, it's of course it's made up of plants. So let's get inside. So here we have, let me get inside. So here we got beds. There you go. In their room, and there's a wardrobe. There's a restroom with a shower. It's really cool. So this is a traditional home in Swaziland, but this is for rent. This is in the Mililawani Heritage, National Heritage. So this is the reception, the kind of like the visitor center. So I'm right here in Mililawani Wildlife Sanctuary, and we're looking for a warthog. So here you can get closer. This is the campsite. You can do camping here. Hogs in residence. There are hogs here. 50 years. So this is about 19 kilometers from the place where I'm staying in Manzini. This is a wildlife sanctuary here in Eswatini.